Hi, I'm here to take you through the Wipro Q4 expectations. The results will be out today itself. In fact, the IT services dollar revenue growth is seen at 2448 million, which is up close to around 3.7% quarter on quarter. Overall, Wipro is likely to deliver a good quarter. And if you look at the revenue growth in constant currency terms, it is seen at 2.9% quarter on quarter. This is well within the guidance that the management had shared earlier of 1.5 to 3.5%. Growth would be driven by ramp up of deals won in the earlier quarter. Quite a few of the analysts are not really penciling in the Metro AG and the Telefonica deals, and growth would also be aided by the typical seasonal strength. In fact, the EBIT margins are likely to decline slightly on a sequential basis on account of the wage revisions and hiring at the top senior management level. Not just that, in the last quarter, the EBIT margins had expanded significantly over 200 bips rather. And in the last quarter, the EBIT margins were at a 22 quarter high. So yes, we should be expecting a decline in the EBIT margins. Expect strong deal wins from Wipro, as they have been fairly active in large deal wins. Kotak estimates that the Wipro is likely to guide for a Q1 revenue growth of 0.5 to 2.5% quarter on quarter, and June is a seasonally weak quarter, but most of the analysts do expect reasonable growth for the June quarter. So watch out for the guidance. In fact, in terms of the Wipro, commentary would also be fairly important, especially in terms of the ramp up of the large deals like Metro and Telefonica. Progress on the Capco acquisition would be important, as quite a few analysts believe that Capco acquisition would be margin dilutive. Commentary in terms of the sustainable margins, wage hike impact, as well as the attrition level would be important, as both Infosys as well as TCS have highlighted that there is attrition is likely to rise overall in the industry, and the overall demand environment is also good. So yes, watch out for the overall commentary in terms of the demand environment and commentary across the verticals as well. Commentary in terms of the M&A strategy in light of the aggressive Capco acquisition would be important. Stabilization of the new organizational structure and integration of external hires at the leadership levels would be fairly important. So yes, overall, expect a good quarter from Wipro. If you look at the stock is doing fairly good in trade. In fact, it is trading at nearly around 18 odd X for FY23 PE and 20X for FY22 PE, and of course it trades at a discount to both Infosys and TCS for obvious reasons. Also, the stock has delivered well over the past entire 1 year, just like the entire IT pack. Results overall should be good. Management commentary would be important.